So the first part of this question says express 0.034 as a fraction. So this first of all tests you as to whether you know what this represents. So basically that's a tenth, that's a hundredth, that's a thousandth. So that is the same as saying 34 over 1000, but you can still simplify this fraction, so that's the equivalent of 17 over 500. So 17 over fraction is 17/500ths. Okay, the second part of the question says simplify this. If you can do algebra, then you should be able to do this quite easily to rationalize it. Remember, you're not allowed to use calculators for this question. So let's expand this out and see what we get. So we've got 3 times the square root of 5 multiplied by that 3 times the square root of 5. So 3 times 3 is 9. The square root of 5 times the square root of 5 is 5. Hope you can see that. So let's put that as 9 times 5, so there's no confusion. So the next bit is 3 times the square root of 5 times the square root of 2. So let's just write that down as it is. 3 to the square root of 5 times the square root of 2. Okay, moving on to this part then. So we've got minus the square root of 2 times the square root of 3 times the square root of 5. So let's write that down. That's the same as saying 3 times the square root of 5 times the square root of 2. And minus the square root of 2 times the square root of 2. A minus and plus gives a minus, so we've got minus 2. So I hope you can see that the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is 2 basically, and you've got a minus and a plus, so that's minus 2. Simplifying that, we've got 35, and these cancel out. Minus, I should say 45. 5 times 4 is 45, and 45 minus 2 is 43, and that's your answer. This is a very simple number. So it's a rational number. Basically because it can be expressed as a fraction, e.g. 43 over 1, as stupid as that may seem. An irrational number is one that can't be entirely expressed as a fraction, so they're numbers like pi. If you divide them out, you just keep on going forever.